Uh, you know what it is. It going down. She looking so good. Smell so damn nice. The body so tight. Damn, I love it. Everything she's doing. Perfect. Yeah. That's what's up. Real talk. She keep the body so tight, and the pussy just right. She smells so nice, got her out so hot, so hot, so hot. Got her out so hot, so hot, so hot. Got her out so hot. She keep that body so tight, and the pussy just right. She smells so nice, got her out so hot, so hot, so hot, so hot, so hot, so hot. Late night sleeping in my truck. I'm puffing on the blunt. On my way to get some grub. Stop, hop out. Caught a little eye contact with the cutie, stunned by her beauty. About to face my odor, it couldn't get any better. Now we shoulder to shoulder. I looked over and said, hey gorgeous, what's up girl? How's it going? The better side of you blowing my mind. Is it possible to hook up at a later time of date? Maybe take you on a date as she pull aside her veins so I can see her face. Long black hair with the body of a goddess. On some real shit, the real meaning of a hot topic. No, yeah, and I'm a song. Yeah, now she reclined. Sounds good to me. Show me good times, then we will see what the world has to offer. The Hennessy, her red lipstick. Now I got you, girl. Tell her from the gate. Plugging is my business, so I fuck yeah. So I fuck a pearl, and I give it to you if you deserve it. If you deserve it. So we gonna have a good time. Smoke a little weed and we'll stay high. Right? We can roll out, no doubt. Do it together, yeah. Just like this, and I got the game on, so pulling up in the air. She asking me for my number back, so I give it to her. Jot it down in your cell phone. Yeah, don't think I just wanna screw you, cause you're looking too good. I got to do you maybe 1 or 3 times. You can have it like that, but it's my life, and I'll be back. You can hook up again and again on a later date. Tell your friend if she wanna come too, if you into that. But if not, it's all good, don't trip. Yeah. So now we getting ready and all that. You know, gotta get up and fresh and all that, so it smell good. And she loving me, you know what I mean? Smell good, all that shit. Real talk. She kept the body so tight, and the pussy just right. She smells so nice. Got her out so hot, so hot. Got her out so hot, so hot. She kept the pussy just right, and that body so tight. She smells so nice. She got her out so hot, so hot. Out so hot. She got her out so hot. So now it's on. Today is the day. I'm on my way to scoop her up. Once again, she's so sexy. She's fit just right. Hard not to stare at her butt. Too tempting not to touch, but I gotta pick myself. Can't rush too fast. Let her down in the park on some fresh cut grass. My conversation full of game, and she kissing my neck. And my hand down the skirt. If she had a one, but she got the jeans and the fit just right. So I got a rubber booty and I do it just right. She likes the way I do my thing, so she let me hit. Oh yeah, and so it's on. We could do it all day long. Hit it out the bone. She loves to smoke weed and that just right. I love to do the same thing every night. She loves the way I rap. She told me I got this game, and I come around and do it once again. I'm like, yeah, shoot the number. But it's hard to trust you. I gotta tell you real what the real life is. I might get killed. I gotta do this trick. Yeah, do it. Do it to her. I mean to call you a bitch, girl, but you know what it is. Outlaws.